deserve is a combination. And the inspiration is you pussy ass niggas. I just realized y'all can't fuck with me. You never will, bitch ass nigga. We tell baby, believe it. Ha, yeah. I got the 24 inches sitting on them Joe buttons in the trunk, straight jumping, bitch. I can't hear nothing, no, I might do the Spurs sitting on them Tim Duncans. And in that Lamborghini, I do donuts like Dunkins. I come every bad bitch with a pussy, wanna fuck them. But I just feed them drugs and just watch them fuck each other. My neck was 100 and my wrist was another. It make a pussy wet, I leave that bitch with a puddle. On my beats, I'm a dog, I should rap with a muzzle. Take Manning flow, I just go, no huddle. Baby girl, getting straight dick, no cuddle. You know I'm out this world, I just bought a space shuttle. I'ma put some D's on.
You see that just happened.
These boys and all these chickies want the dicky like it's Tilly's. A milli, getting green to pickle dilly. And all I see is money, and my eyelash call me Billy. I'm hotter than the pepper, niggas thought I work for Chili's. I'm so motherfucking illy, y'all gon' need a vaccine. If I spit out, I sneeze in the fucking backseat of that double R truck. Straight up relaxing, in that mansion living single. Niggas call me Maxine, but I'm really living, nigga. I ain't never acting. Couple emeralds, darker diamonds, looking like some black beans. All gold, skin glow, looking like a black king. Took a shot, a nigga made it. Niggas think I'm Yao Ming. In that rocket, that McLaren, see that price was taxing. Got a blessing, learn my lesson. Now a nigga graduated, so I paid it, cause I made it. Motherfucker keep on hating, and that bitch on all fours till she robbed me like she 16.
Kanye got stacks, y'all already know that.